What's going on, everybody? My name is Willie Rodriguez. Welcome to another video, and in today's video we're going to be reviewing the Elgato Wave 3 microphone. Okay, so the first thing we're going to talk about a couple of little facts of the microphone. And first things first, this is a condenser microphone. It also comes with a USB Type-C to USB-A USB cable, which is what I have here connected on my boom arm. That's how you connect it to the laptop. It also features a zero latency headphone jack in the back of the microphone. And one of the good things about this microphone is that it also comes with an internal pop filter, which is, clearly I'm not using an external one, and it does a really good job. Another awesome feature that this microphone comes with is that it comes with clip guard technology built into the microphone, so that prevents you from peaking or when you're screaming really loud. This microphone does a great job when it comes to that. So you don't have to put that into your OBS settings or anything. It already comes with. And out of the box, this microphone comes with a desk stand, or you can put it into a boom arm. The desk stand, it's a little bit short for me, but it's pretty good. Also, you can also buy extenders for it, but I personally like it for boom arm, like I'm sure most streamers will do as well. Now, talking about with the boom arm and the stand, let's talk accessories. First things first, like I said, you have your desk stand and its extenders, so you can buy different extenders for it to make it taller. Also comes with an external pop filter. This is what I was talking about as well. You have your internal pop filter, but it will sound even better with the external pop filter outside as well. And it also comes with a shock mount, which is great for your boom arm, and you won't be hearing all that noise when you're going like this. So great accessories for the microphone. So this microphone comes with a multi-function dial. First one being the control of your gain, where you can adjust the volume of your gain. Next one being your headphone output volume. And then last but not least, the microphone PC monitor mix, which means you can adjust the dial so you can hear your zero latency from when you speak, or you can hear more of what's coming through the PC. And on top of the microphone comes a mute button. All you have to do is just slightly put your finger on top of it, and it mutes the microphone. Okay guys, so now we're gonna go into the WaveLink system. So I'm gonna show you real quick on how to install the WaveLink mixer, so you can put it in your computer, and then we can go from there. You go to the elgato.com, you go straight to downloads, you hit the Wave 3 or the Wave 1, whichever one you have. You hit Windows, and then you download the WaveLink. Now, once we're in the WaveLink, as you can see, we have different mixers. We have the Wave 3, we have the system, we have browser, music, game, auxiliary, 2. Now, the good thing about this is it's like a Go XLR, but you have different mixers in it, and this is awesome because you can control different things that are going on in your stream. So, for instance, I'll have the game playing in the background. You have your game noise or whatever, and then I can have music playing as well. For instance, now let's say I want to make my music. Let's say I want to make it lower, the volume lower on my end. So right here, this is your headphones, this is for you, and then this is for your stream, whatever your stream's hearing. All right, so for instance, we'll bring down the volume from my headphones, and then you won't hear it as much, and then you'll have the volume for your stream can hear it. Or let's say you have your friends playing with you. You have that on another system. Let's say you have it on Discord. So you put on Discord, you can put it on here. You can change these, no problem. And then you put that in, and then you can put down so your stream, they don't hear your friends, and you can, or you can do it vice versa. You can have it, oh, my bad. You can have it to where you don't hear it, but your stream hears your friends. Right here, this is your monitor mix, as in for you. So the top part is what you're hearing. I have the headphones connected to the Elgato Wave, and the the bottom piece right here is the stream mix. So this is what your stream will be hearing. So you'll have music playing, you have the game, and then you have all that playing right here. All of that stuff playing at the same time right here. And then you see this little ear right here, you can change that. So you can put it to where you're hearing what the stream is, and then, or you can change it to what you're only hearing. So for instance, if you have the stream playing at 50% the music, and you have your game chat off, right? You click over here, and then you'll be hearing exactly what the stream's hearing. So like, let's say if you want to make sure everybody's okay, everybody's, you know, the music's not too loud or whatever, you can switch it over and hear what they're hearing. So this is pretty much what it is. You can add more channels on here. As you can see, these are audio inputs, so you can just add more of them. And then right here in this area, this is where you would have to see what you're gonna do. So I use OBS Studios for my stream. Now in OBS, in order for the people in your stream to hear everything, there's a couple settings you're gonna have to adjust. So I'm gonna be honest with you, the wavelength system is a little bit complicated. It's not as easy as you think it is to have everything in order. So your main output is gonna be going to the wavelength system, and then your input is gonna be your mic in, okay? Now here's all your different things. So let's say open up Discord, for example. Okay, so I have my Discord put up. Let's put that down for a little bit. As you can see, there's Discord right here. So when you have your party chat, or you know, you're chatting in your Discord, you will come here and you will put link wavelength voice chat. You'll put that, you know, let's say the sound capture, let's say it's music playing. You will come here, you will put wavelength music. All that starts playing to its designated area, right? But you want everything to be going through the system, as into your OBS. So quick settings in your OBS. So then everything that's being played on the wavelength is going to be played onto your stream. These are what you have to do in the settings, okay? This is something that was pretty complicated at the beginning. So you're gonna go to the audio area, and then in the audio area, you're gonna go down to the first part, which is mic auxiliary audio, and you're gonna click on where it says wavelength stream, okay? And then on the audio 2, mic and auxiliary audio 2, you're gonna put mic in, and then you're gonna apply the settings, and then everything that's going on into your wavelength right here, it's gonna be playing into your OBS. So all these mixes is something that's very, very good and different from any other USB microphone that Elgato has put into the system, which is awesome. You really don't need, you know, when it comes to this, you don't need a Go XLR, because this is the same thing, and this is awesome for people who have a USB microphone. That's pretty much it for when it comes to the wavelength system. So let's go back into the video and we'll continue from there. Okay guys, hit that like button and let me know if this is a microphone that you guys are interested about buying, and then also leave me a comment. Let me know what type of microphone you guys are using and currently using right now. Are you interested about buying this product? And if you have any questions, let me know. All right guys, this is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys on the next video.